Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with an exciting video. So it's gonna be really quick outfit of the day video. Sorry, that's my laptop. So yeah, I just woke up. I don't look that nice. I woke up an hour ago. So yeah, I've got no makeup, just a little lipstick, that's it. And this kajal, I applied it yesterday. It just don't go away no matter how many times you wash your face. It just takes time. So yeah, it's just like a little residue of the kajal. Anyways, for my earrings, I'm wearing these earrings. I love them. So nice, very girly. And I've got the same hair clip. I love this clip. It's really easy to clip in and it looks nice. So, and for my outfit, the entire outfit is from Sarojini Market. This is the top. I love this top. You might have already seen many times. I just keep wearing this because I love it. So this is like really nice top. It's beautiful. I mean, it's like pretty wearable outfit. You can wear this outfit to college, work, anywhere you like. So this is how it looks like. Bag is from Sarah and my footwear from Amazon. So if you can see, this is the entire look. Okay, I'll just take you guys a little lower. So this is the top to bottom outfit. You can't really see full look of this outfit. Wait a minute. Okay, I believe now you can see it. Not sure yet. Oh, so yeah, it's far better. You can see my outfit really well now. So this is how it looks like. And my belt is from Sarojini Market. My jeans top Sarojini. So yeah, this is how it looks like. My earrings, I think they are from the Nagar market. So yeah, I used to buy a lot of earrings from there back then. So this is the back. Let me take you a little up. Oh, you can't still see my face. Anyways, this is the look. I normally carry my bag with this small little like shoulder bag like this, but I also like this long strap sometimes, but I'm not going to use it now. I use it when I go out, you know, so I can have a crossbody. That way it's easy to shop. You don't have to worry your bag falling down. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks more girly and more fashionable like this, I think. Yeah, so this is the entire look. I know it's gonna be a pretty boring video, but I just want to do an outfit of the day video, and I'll be coming up with more of these videos because I think they're really quick to do, and also I can make a lot of videos like this. So okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick outfit of the day video. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these kind of videos. I would love to do more. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure you subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like this video because that encourages me to do more videos. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.